Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore an important question. Can foreigner become director in Pakistani companies? Where we will dive into the legal framework, related laws and some important cases to provide a comprehensive understanding. Stay tuned. Legal analysis, legal framework. According to the Companies Act 2017, foreigners can indeed become a director in Pakistani companies. However, there are certain conditions and the requirements that must to be met. A foreigner can be an executive or a non-executive director in both public and private companies. Requirement for foreign directors: security clearance. Foreign directors must obtain security clearance from the Interior Ministry of Pakistan. Documentation: clear scanned copies of passports, personal profiles similar to the resumes, and affidavits are required. Local director requirement: at least one of the local Pakistani director with minimum 1% share must be appointed in the company. Famous cases: while the specific cases are not widely publicized, there have been instances of foreign directors who have successfully been appointed in Pakistani companies, especially in IT sector. French Tech, which has great investment related to us. Companies Act 2017 governs regulations in the company's security clearance regulations, governs the process of obtaining security clearance for foreign nationals. SECB regulation, Security Exchange Commission regulation of Pakistan, oversees the registration and the compliance of the companies for of the foreign directors. In conclusion, foreign directors can be appointed in Pakistani companies. They must navigate a series of legal requirements and obtain necessary clearance to ensure that the foreign investment is managed effectively while maintaining national security. Understanding the regulation is very crucial. Anyone looking to invest in Pakistan should be welcome. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more legal analysis.